Hello everyone, and what's the difference between the words meticulous and fastidious? Both these words are adjectives and they mean a person who's paying too much attention to something, to details, for example. To put it simply, meticulous is more about something positive and important, and fastidious is more about something negative and not so important. To better understand, we need to provide some examples. Meticulous. A meticulous teacher always checking their students' homework to make sure that there is no mistakes and everything's okay, alright. What you can say about a pilot who's checking their dashboard, cockpit, to make sure that everything is fine before takeoff because it's important. And fastidious, the best example I guess is about the army. Weekly inspection, and there's always an officer with a glove, and you're living in a room with your roommates, and one day you just missed a little spot or a smudge, or you can say a stain on your window pane. You just sometimes you're a little sloppy, and you forgot about this, and this officer came to your room, he spotted it, and the whole room is punished. That's the whole difference between the words meticulous and fastidious. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.